Hello guys, as you know, recently WAN 2.1 was released, which is the best open-source text-to-video model. It is on par in performance with OpenAI Sora. In this video, we will show you 3 free ways to use it and generate videos from text or images. So let's start. 1. Hugging Face Space. Search WAN 2.1 Hugging Face. Go to this link. This is the official Hugging Face space of the WAN 2.1 model. It supports both text-to-video and image-to-video here. So let's try it with the sample prompt. Change settings like resolution if needed. See, the video is here. It is of high quality. You can download it like this. Sometimes, you may face errors like these if too many users are running tasks at the same time. You need to wait a few minutes and then try again in that case. To Chat WAN AI. Go to Chat WAN AI. Here, you need to sign up. After signing up, click Video Generation. It uses WAN 2.1 for video generation. Enter the prompt. Wait now. After waiting, it is still showing issues, maybe due to server limitations, as many people are using it at the same time. It may work for you, so you can give it a try. 3. WAN AI Video. This is the official site of WAN AI Video. Here, sign up with Google or GitHub. After signing up, you will get some points. Also, you can get 50 points every day for checking in. You earn more points for uploads, as you can read here. Each video generation takes 10 points. Go to the video section. Enter the prompt. I am trying to generate a dog in space video. Use the prompt enhancer. Select settings as per your needs. Wait now. It is slow during peak hours and takes longer to process. In my case, it is taking 3 hours. Let's wait. The video is generated now. It is good, although it still has some issues. You can download it like this. It supports both text-to-video and image-to-video here. That's all. If you have a good high-end computer with a good GPU, you can also try using it locally, as it is open-sourced on Hugging Face. To know more, you can visit this Hugging Face page. Thanks for watching.